जब आप ऑडियंस के सामने आएंगे तो मैं अपनी पहचान खो बैठूंगी, तो उससे पहले कि मैं बोल लूं, फिर बाद में तो सारा
बड़ी
स्टेज
शौक
आपकी।
से, बड़ी
जरूर।
शौक से मैं पहचान के साथ पहचान करना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ जरूर जरूर
कहिए,
जरूर। हाँ, तो नीरजा जी
कहिए,
से
कहिए।
मैं 2017 फरवरी में मिली थी। आईएपीसी का कॉन्फ्रेंस था कोयम्बटूर में, तब हम मिले थे और वहां से हमारी दोस्ती शुरू हो गई है। अच्छा, बीच बीच में इधर उधर हो गई, लेकिन फिर भी कनेक्टेड है, क्योंकि लाइन और एरिया ऑफ वर्क एक ही है। काउंसलिंग, वो भी
यस।
काउंसलर है, मैं भी काउंसलर हूँ, तो इस वजह से। और हमें आज बहुत गर्व हो रहा है कि वो हमारे बीच में हैं, और इन्होंने जरा सा भी नहीं सोचा कि भाई मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, ऐसा वैसा कुछ भी नहीं। अच्छा बोलो अल्पा, तुम कब बोलोगी कर देंगे, हमारे पास तो 24 घंटे और 7 दिन ही है एक हफ्ते में, उससे ज्यादा तो मैं नहीं दे सकती। तो आप बता दो और कितने घंटे बात करना है, मैं बात कर सकती हूँ। तो आपका बड़प्पन है नीरजा जी कि आप हमारे बीच आई। थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ, और पहचान, सी पहचान एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है। वी आर ऑल अ टीम ऑफ काउंसलर्स। इट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय मी इन 2013 फॉर्मली।
7 साल।
हाँ, 7 साल हो गए शुरू करते हुए, और मैं अकेले ही काउंसलिंग कर रही थी। जितनी भाषा मुझे आती है, 7-8 इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस आती है, उसमें मैं करती हूँ। और साइन लैंग्वेज भी अभी सीख लिया है, तो उसमें भी करती हूँ। तो ऐसे करके ट्राई टू रीच आउट टू द पेशेंट्स एंड केयर गिवर्स। एरिया ऑफ वर्क तो मेनली कैंसर से शुरू किया था, लेकिन जैसे जैसे नाम और लोगों को पता चलता गया कि भाई अल्पा अल्प समय के लिए भी आपको हेल्प कर सकती है हॉस्पिटलों में, तो इंडियन कैंसर सोसाइटी से जुड़ गई। बाद में पहचान की एक्टिविटीज से जहां जहां हो सके ग्रुप सेशन दिया, 1-on-1 सेशन किया, जिसने भी बुलाया कि भाई नहीं, कैंसर के लिए तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ। और मैं एक वैरियर की बेटी हूँ। मेरी माँ मेरी माँ को जब डिटेक्ट हुआ था, तब डॉक्टर ने ऐसे मोड़ पे लाके रख दिया। उसने बोला मैडम अभी 3 हफ्ता है, फटाफट आप एक काम करो, सब आपका वाइंडिंग अप और पैकिंग कर लो, क्योंकि अभी आपको जाना है। तो मेरी मम्मी तो शी वॉज अ वेरियर वुमेन, हर फादर वॉज अ फ्रीडम फाइटर हु पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इंडिया स्ट्रगल फॉर फ्रीडम। तो मम्मी ने तो उनको 1 सेकेंड लगा, मम्मी को भी, कि भाई मैं नीचे अंदर उतरे कि वो क्या बोल रहा है। फिर
हाँ।
बाहर आई, बैठी और डॉक्टर से बोला अभी आपको क्या क्या बोलना है एक साथ बोल दो, तो मैं
हाँ।
अपनी लाइफ है, मेरे को कैसे प्लान करना है। आपने आरएसी की टिकट दे दी है, कंफर्म टिकट नहीं दी है अभी। हाँ,
करेक्ट,
हाँ,
करेक्ट।
तो कंफर्म टिकट नहीं मिली है। तो मैं जरूर से आपको दिखाऊंगी कि मेरा परिवार है और मेरे को कैसे रहना है, और कैसे लोगों को
फैंटास्टिक,
दिखाना है कि भाई कैंसर
फैंटास्टिक।
कोई लाइलाज बीमारी नहीं है। ये तो और कोई बीमारी जैसी ही है, बस लोगों में इसका डर बहुत फैल गया है। तो यही बात एज ए केयर गिवर भी थी मेरे मन में, और पहचान थ्रू भी वी आर रीचिंग आउट टू पेशेंट्स, केयर गिवर्स,
एक्सीलेंट,
वेर एवर, विच एवर वे इट इज
एक्सीलेंट।
पॉसिबल। और पोस्ट पैंडेमिक में क्या हुआ कि कैंसर पेशेंट को अभी डर ज्यादा लगने लगा कि भाई घर में और किसी को हो ना हो, मेरे को तो जरूर होगा, क्योंकि कैंसर है और दूसरा सी भी आ जाएगा। एक सी से तो ऑलरेडी उलझे हुए हैं, और दूसरा सी से भी अभी उलझना पड़ेगा। तो ऐसे करते करते हमारे फ्रेंड्स मालती, पूर्णिमा और वंदना महाजन, ये तीनों भी हमारे से जुड़ गई। वो बोले अल्पा हम भी तुझे साथ देंगे इस कार्य में, और चलो हम चारों मिलके आगे बढ़े, और जिसको भी जहां भी जरूरत है वहां उनको मोटिवेट करें। और हमारी ये नन्ही सी वॉलेंटियर रश्मि धर्मश्री, ये मेरी नीस है, शी इज माई नीस, और हमको काफी हेल्प करती है। कभी भी आइडियाज वगैरह लेने हो तो ये यंग ब्लड भी है हमारे साथ। ये फॉर्मली नहीं जुड़ी है पहचान के साथ, बट इनफॉर्मली ये बहुत ही सपोर्ट करती है। ये खुद भी काउंसलिंग कर रही है और कर चुकी है। हाँ, और अभी मास्टर्स कर रही है खुद, और एक्चुअली कर्नाटका, रूरल कर्नाटका में कन्नड़ा में शी इज काउंसलिंग पेशेंट्स एंड देयर केयर गिवर्स, और कोविड का सपोर्ट बहुत कर रही है। और कोविड के टाइम में हमने कोविड पेशेंट्स और क्वारंटाइन हो गए और आइसोलेटेड हुए पेशेंट्स को भी हम लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं पहचान में। तो कभी भी किसी को भी जरूरत हो तो हम बेझिझक आप उनको हमारा नंबर दे सकते हैं, और डेफिनेटली वी विल रीच आउट टू देम विच एवर स्मॉल वे वी कैन हेल्प एंड बी देयर फॉर देम। क्योंकि आधी बीमारी तो कोई और सुने उससे ही ठीक हो सकते हैं आधे लोग, क्योंकि लोगों को रोने के लिए भी कोई नहीं रहता है, खब्बा रखने के लिए भी कोई नहीं रहता है, सुनने वाला भी कोई नहीं रहता है, क्योंकि ये लड़ाई अकेले नहीं लड़ सकते हैं, परिवार का साथ चाहिए, सभी चीजों का हमें सपोर्ट चाहिए, तो ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और हिम्मत कर सकते हैं। कभी कभी हम ऊपर नीचे हो जाते हैं कि कोई भी बीमारी की वजह से, बट जैसे कि हम लोग काउंसलर्स हैं तो हम भी एक दूसरे से बहुत सीखते हैं। जैसे कि नीरजा जी से मैंने सीखा कि कभी भी आप अपना स्माइल इंटैक्ट रखो, 100% स्माइलिंग, जो कुछ भी हो हमेशा खुश रहो, जो भी परिस्थिति हो, दिन हो, रात हो, धूप हो, छांव हो, लेकिन आप खुश रहो और आपके 26 चिक्स बाहर दिखने चाहिए, है ना नीरजा जी? हाँ, मैं खींच नहीं सकती, मैं खींच नहीं सकती। अच्छा, अभी मैंने पहचान के बारे में तो बहुत बता लिया, अभी हम नीरजा जी के बारे में बताएंगे। अच्छा, मैं बोलती जाऊंगी और आप गिनते जाना कि इन्होंने अवार्ड्स कितने लिए हैं, ठीक है?
You know, you're running out of time.
No, that's okay, that's okay. अलका जी ने हमको टाइम दिया है, अलका जी ने टाइम दिया है, तो थोड़ा आप भी ये कर दीजिए। मैं जस्ट आपके अवार्ड्स के बारे में ही बताऊंगी और कुछ भी नहीं बताऊंगी, ठीक है? हाँ, सो नीरजा जी एक खुद कैंसर कॉन्करर है, वॉरियर है, राइटर है और टेडेक्स स्पीकर भी है, और बाकी जो भी है आप उनसे सुनना, मुझसे नहीं। मैं उनके अवार्ड के बारे में बताऊंगी। पॉजिटिव हेल्थ अवार्ड 2009 में डॉक्टर बतरास से मिला इनको। जिंदगी लाइव अवार्ड 2011 में IBN 7 से मिला। आउटस्टैंडिंग इंस्पिरेशनल वुमेन अवार्ड 2012 में मिला FICCI लेडीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से। सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन 2013 में मिला श्री सत्य साई सेवा समिति कल्याण, मानव सेवा इस माधव सेवा, उसके अंग इनको मिला। रोज ऑफ वृंदावन अवार्ड 2015, स्पिरिचुअल असेंबली ऑफ द भाइस ऑफ चेन्नई। वुमेन अचीवर्स अवार्ड 2017, रोटरी इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी मिशन। लाइफ अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2017, अग्नि लीडरशिप सेंटर। Women of Substance Cancer Crusader Award 2017, FICCI FLO. Exceptional Women of Excellence Award 2018, Women Economic Forum. Literary Excellence Award 2018, 10th Asiad Literature Festival. Mrs. Malti Award 2019, Women Doctors Association Tamil Nadu. Iconic Women Creating a Better World for All 2020, Women Economic Forum. The list is endless and now I am running short of time. अभी नीरजा जी एक विजिल मारिए जोर से और सबको एक्टिवेट कर दीजिए और एक बार, क्योंकि फर्स्ट विजिल सबने नहीं सुनी।
Are you ready? अपने कान बंद कर लो।
वेरी गुड, सब चार्जअप हो गए।
सही बात है, सही बात।
फर्स्ट थिंग अल्पा, मैं कौन से लैंग्वेज में बात करूं?
हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में तो अच्छा रहेगा।
What would you prefer me to talk in? What language? मैं दोनों को
इंग्लिश would be preferred, और बीच में आप हिंदी भी यूज कर सकती हैं। Yes.
अच्छा, so first of all I want to tell अल्पा,
बोलिए।
कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा at the moment, because it is the month of breast cancer awareness. I've started, यहाँ चेन्नई से एक campaign शुरू हुआ है, which apparently is turning viral. And you know, it is by the Women Indian Chambers commerce industry. TN, that is Tamil Nadu Social Service Center, and 12, which is an e-magazine, and also Siva Awards. So usme kya hai? That every woman takes a pledge. And I'll be very happy if you just, all of you, take the pledge with me.
Yes.
So just put your hand on your heart and say, I take the pledge.
I take
I
the
take the
pledge
pledge
To spread awareness.
to spread awareness
About breast cancer.
about breast cancer
To at least 10 people
women
to at least
at
10
least 10 people
around me.
around me.
So this is a
Thank you.
small pledge. And I was very happy. We've started getting people are sending a 40-second video just saying the pledge. तो वो हमको पहुंचता है. And the pledge is that along with this, there is a video of self-examination. So everyone who takes the pledge will see the self-examination video, which is on YouTube under Nirja Malik official YouTube channel. So there is one video that shows the self-examination. There is another video that talks about the campaign and how each of us can take this pledge and how we can pass it to 10 other people. We can get people to see that video. तो अगर हम 10 लोगों को दिखाएं और वो आगे 10 लोगों को दिखाएं, look how the ripple after ripple effect will take place, and we will be able to spread awareness about breast cancer.
Yes.
And the third video is that I am taking the pledge. So these are the 3 videos ke aap dekhen and pass it on. And what I want you to tell you about Alpa. This is the first time that this happened in this campaign, that someone has taken it upon themselves to do this pledge in sign language. So that means that she is using inclusivity. She is using, doesn't matter who or what the person is, she is spreading this knowledge to the hearing impaired. And I was so deeply touched when I saw that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nirja.
So this is, in fact, Jesse, मैं बात कर रही हूँ, I'm remembering something. There is a Macedonian friend of mine, and in 2008, the Department of State, America, had called 15 of us from all over the world for the first ever International Leaders Visitors Program in America on breast cancer. So I was the only one who'd actually gone through breast cancer twice. The others were surgeons, radiologists, people connected with breast cancer, and a lot of them were women who were running NGOs. And her name is Biba. So what Biba suddenly realized after this program, because we got exposed to 6 cities, a lot of hospitals, what they do in terms of breast cancer. एक दिन वो लेटी पड़ी थी, and लेटी, she was just feeling her breast. Self-examination. और उनको क्या याद आया? What occurred to her? That her eyes were shut. So she realized that you don't need your eyes to be open when you are doing a self-examination. So this friend of mine has made, she got it made in Braille, the instructions for self-examination.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Examination. And it just occurred to her because later she was doing it, and she realized, oh, मेरी तो आंखें बंद है. And she said, आंखों की तो जरूरत ही नहीं होती self examination के लिए. तो उन्होंने ब्रेल में बनाया. And now you have included the hearing impaired. She has included the sight impaired. ये देखो, inclusiveness all over the world.
Yes.
Very happy about that.
Yeah. Thank you
so much.
Thank you. It's all inspiration from your end. Your phone call and which changed my life and maybe for the better for everybody. Yeah. So Nirja ji, I would like to ask you one simple thing. As a counselor, I would ask कि भाई आपको इतना मोटिवेशन का खजाना मिलता कहाँ से है? क्योंकि किसी से भी आप बात करो तो वो रोते ही रहते हैं या अपना कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम में ही रहते हैं, लेकिन आपसे मैं जब भी बात किया तो आई सॉ कि आप हमेशा मोटिवेटेड ही रही हैं. समथिंग और द अदर कीप्स मोटिवेटिंग यू. सो व्हाट इज दैट थिंग? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो.
व्हाट इज दैट खजाना? What is that treasure?
Treasure, yeah. What is that gem inside you?
So sweet, so sweet. So first of all, let me say that I've had a wonderful, secure, lovely childhood.
Okay.
My parents, my grandparents. So there was a lot of security. There was a lot of fun. There was a lot of encouragement. और मैंने एक किताब लिखी है. So strange that you are now making me connect these two things. My book is called The Story of Nirja Malik and the Treasures that I have found in life, the unique treasures. And the strange thing is that, suno, ye treasures kya hai? Love, fun and laughter.
Yes.
God, faith, miracles, even death is a treasure. Attitude of gratitude, abundance, and therefore living in the now. But let me tell you that even before, when I was going for a surgery or I had my many miscarriages, I had a stillborn in the 8th month. My twins were, 2 months and 5 days premature. My daughter was only 825 grams. My son was twins. My son was only 1 kg. So my blood pressure was 270 by 140. But through all this, my family gave me a lot of support, a lot of love. First my family, then my in-laws' family. तो जहां भी देखूं मैं भंडार ही भंडार था, लव का, प्रेम का, सपोर्ट का, सिक्योरिटी का, एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय इंटेंस बिलीफ इन गॉड. मेरी एक सोच है अल्पा, और दिस सोच इज दैट इफ पीपल से that we are made in the image of God, then God is happy, God is healthy, there is nothing wrong with God. God is perfect.
Yes.
तो अगर हम उनकी इमेज में बने हैं, हम भी happy, healthy, all the positive things. और मैं जाती थी for my various problems, and my father would just put his hand on my head and just say a mantra. And that is how things just happened. Acha, now the other side of the coin is,
okay,
choice हमारी है.
Yes.
इधर जाऊं या इधर जाऊं, पॉजिटिव रहूं या नेगेटिव रहूं. अभी मैंने, someone asked me, how do you deal with this? I said, देखो भाई, I have made it very clear. God and I have a deal. अच्छा, क्या है deal तुम्हारी? अरे, you have given me this problem. Now it is your problem to deal with it. Because if I keep thinking, oh, itne miscarriages हुए, oh, stillborn हुआ 8th month में, oh, twins are premature, oh, cancer 2 बारी, and no one knows this, but in 2018, I had septicemia 3 times. I was rushed to the hospital and I've had to have 210 injections in my jugular vein because of both breast cancers in 98 and then in 2004, left side, right side, my veins had gone. From 2004, only the veins on my feet are used for withdrawal of blood for testing and for injecting. So even my feet gave up. So they had to keep puncturing my neck. So the thing is that if I sat down and I said, "Hi, ye mujhe hua hai, wo mujhe hua hai, main kya karu, I am making a mess for myself and I am making a mess for everyone else." And the first time I realized this was that when I was diagnosed with cancer, by Bombay mein thi. My parents, I was diagnosed in Chennai. My parents said, "Dekho, you're living with your husband and your twins who were only 7. तो तुम्हारा पूरा support system Bombay में है. So you come to Bombay for your treatment." So I used to go for my surgery, come back, go for my chemos, come back. I was there for a whole, the entire period of my radiation, and the kids were there only during that period. So all this, because of the support, and because I needed to not let my twins know कि मेरी इतनी बुरी हालत है, I realized that the best is, अच्छा तुमने problem दिया है, अब तुम solution दो, मैं free हूँ. I'm free so that this morning there was a radio talk show on breast cancer awareness. I chatted. Abhi aapse baat kar rahi hu. Kal I was speaking in front of 300 medical fraternity and the policy makers of the national mission, health mission. कि भाई grassroots पे rural areas में क्या कर सकते हैं to help breast cancer patients. So मैं बोलती जाऊंगी और अगर मैं if I keep thinking that, oh my God, this is it, oh my God, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, आगे हो गया, पीछे हो गया, I will not be able to be free to talk to you. So एक तो you can say कि थोड़ा क्या कहते हो, it is a selfish thing also because I'm very happy doing this. I'm very happy being happy.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So much to learn from this.
It is so simple. कि भाई इधर जाओ या उधर जाओ, and what suits me. I'd rather be happy than sad.
जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी खुशी चलती रहे.
खुशी खुशी. Absolutely.
फिर आप मोटिवेट कैसे करती हैं और पेशेंट को? आपको अपना कुछ याद आ जाता है तभी?
Okay, very good question, but I think before I forget,
yes,
आज का topic है
fight
face it.
Face it, not
don't
fight it.
हाँ, face it, don't fight.
Fight it.
तो मैं पहले ये, but don't forget this question क्योंकि जो आपने पूछा, it's a very important question. So when I was diagnosed with cancer, अच्छा लोग क्या करते हैं, वो family tree बनाते हैं, और हमारी family ने क्या किया, हमने कैंसर ट्री बनाया, और हमको क्या पता चला that in 3 generations we have had 40 cases, 40 of cancer. ठीक है. So जब मेरी diagnosis हुई थी Friday the 13th 1998, I went running to my father and I said, "Papa, I'm going to fight cancer." You know what my father told me? एक naval officer रह चुके हैं in the Indian Navy, and he has had he's got an award called the Mention in Dispatches. He participated in the 1971 war.
Okay.
And he told me, Aryan, from Pathani background and everything, इन्होंने मुझे क्या बताया? He said, "Beta, why are you using the word fight. Fight is aggressive. अब मैं किसी को पकड़ूं and I want to fight you, I'm going to fight you. He said, just change that word. Instead of fight, आप कहो, face it. अब when we talk about facing it, what do we think of? We can do it.
Yes.
There is hope.
Hope.
The entire perception changes from fighting to face it. हम होंगे कामयाब. We shall overcome. So you see the difference. Just yes. One word. Fight it or face it. Shakti comes in facing it. Positive Shakti. So that is what I believe in. Let us face it, thanks to my father, not fight it. My mother gave me another very good piece of advice. She said, everything happens for the best. And my childhood has been really naughty. Kabhi ye haddi toot gayi, wo pasli toot gayi. And I would tell mommy, I'd say, what do you mean? I've broken my wrist. Acha, the first time I noticed this, I think I was 10 years old. हम देहरादून में थे. And mummy had, I was having breakfast. She was getting ready. And we were to go to Convent of Jesus and Mary. We had just come from Bombay. मेरा जी test हो रहा था. 4th standard खत्म किया था. I was to get into the 5th standard. Toast बन रहा था. Sometimes you try and pop it up, वो नहीं निकलता. अब हम छोटे हैं, हमको कुछ समझ नहीं है. मैंने क्या किया? एक कांटा लिया. Cutlery. I took that fork and I put it into the toaster. And guess what happened? I was shocked. And I was screaming as I connected. My maid saw me. She's standing in front of me. Wo wahan khadi ho ke she got frozen. My mother came running out. She saw what is happening. She immediately switched off the mains. And guess what? वो shock ने मुझे ऐसे हिला के रख दिया that when I went for my test, Mother Immaculata was so impressed that she said, oh, I cannot take her in the 5th standard. She is so smart. We have to put her into the 6th. So मुझे double promotion मिल गई.
Wow.
So it is in our hands. I was shocked into improving myself and doing better. And then it occurred to me, not at that point, because I'm still fighting with my mother saying, what do you mean everything happens for the best? Abhi pucho na. And this is an answer to your question, Alpa. Everything happens for the best. Because I did my graduation in social work.
Wow.
I learned automatically casework, group work, community work, all the skills. Then I did my B.Ed. I worked in schools as a social worker. I worked in GD Sumani in Bombay as a 4th standard class teacher. And I find it very easy to talk to people. वो भी gift of the gab hai. So Bhagwan ne kaha, this is a good candidate. People from when I was a little child, people would come and cry on my shoulder and want to share, verbalize, ventilate their problems with me. So he said, ye good candidate hai, isko abhi University of Life may give her lots of experiences. Give her so many experiences that she will spread the good word. And she will write a book and she will communicate with people. And with her 10 treasures, people will benefit. That is why coming to Chennai, I wanted to set up a cancer support group. And that is what I did in the hospital in Chennai where I was diagnosed. So Alpa ne mujhe pucha tha ki, do you remember things? So over the years, I kept saying, I want. But from 98, by the way, I started counseling in 98 itself, 98 December. So abhi 22 years ho gaye. From 98, I kept saying, mujhe shuru karna hai, I want to have a support group. Jacket 2004, on the 8th of March, Women's International Day, my support group was started, called the Apollo Cancer Support Group. Ab tab tak, between 98, I had made 20 lovely friends, all women. All of us were cancer conquerors. मैं कभी नहीं कहती कि मैं cancer survivor हूँ. मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं cancer conqueror हूँ. So if you hear, face it, don't fight it, my father's words. If you hear, cancer is conquerable, I'm a cancer conqueror, my words, which I have spread the world over. तो ये मैंने शुरू किया ये 20 ladies के साथ अपना support group. I'm so happy that all 20 of us have gone through cancer. We have all experienced surgeries, chemotherapies, radiations, the side effects. We're all motivated women. We are Shakti. We are strong. And guess what? Ek hafte ke andar, out of those 20 women, I was left with only 4 or 5.
Oh.
And not that they kicked the bucket, ke unko kuch ho gaya. Same question that Alpa said. When they started coming to the hospital to counsel, they would have dread. I was diagnosed in this room. I had my CT scan here. This is where I had my chemotherapy. This is where my radiation took place. Maine 3 mahine, I spent 3 months trying to get them back to the fold. That why are you going through all these thoughts? Come and help me, 3 mahine yaar. And then they said, then the reasons came out. Ke humko dar lagta hai. I tried to get them to come out of their fear. It was very difficult. And I was wasting a lot of time. So then they asked me, they said, you were also diagnosed here. You don't think about these things. Ki yahan tujhe teri FNAC hui thi. Here you were, given the report. Here your blood tests were taken. Here your CT scan. This is where they asked me. And I said, no. This is not the reason with which I come here. मेरे दिमाग में खाली एक बात है, that I want to share these experiences and what makes me different, what makes all of us people who have gone through cancer different. That if someone goes to a cancer patient and says, be positive, sab theek ho jayega, they'll turn around and say, oh, do you know what I'm thinking? Do you know what I'm going through? Do you know what my family is feeling? And I say, yes, I do. I know what you're going through. I've gone through it twice. I've had surgeries. I know chemotherapy. I've had radiations. I know what your family is going through. My family went through the same thing. तो मुझे एक दूसरे कैंसर पेशेंट के साथ कोई टाइम नहीं लगता, मुझे लोगों के साथ टाइम नहीं लगता. I connect like this. Thank you, God. It is a gift. Yes. And I tell you, Alpa, I just think कि जो भी हो रहा है मेरे साथ, it is just that I am an instrument and that I am getting so much of joy in doing what I do. So Baki, everything gets erased. That is the bottom line. That's all my experience. What is the ace up my sleeve? I've been there. I've done that. I've worn those shoes.
Yes.
And I can do it. And if I can do it, so can you.
Yes.
That is the bottom line.
Yes, very well said, very well said. Not everybody takes it that way.
God is
Also,
great.
yes. Nirja ji, one more thing I would ask. There is so much stigma attached to the disease. Log kya kahenge? People don't want to share it with anybody. किसी को भी नहीं बताते. Sometimes family के अंदर भी only the couple will know or only the mother and child will know. Nobody else.
Sometimes तो बीवी डरती है कि मैं अपने शौहर को नहीं बताऊं.
हाँ.
And the other thing is, okay, young girls. I have counseled a lot of young girls whose parents are they come literally disguised, टोपी पहन के, ताकि उनका चेहरा नहीं दिखे.
Yes.
They come like that.
Yes.
And why? इसकी शादी करानी है. हम किसी को बताएंगे नहीं.
हाँ.
इसको ये हुआ. आप क्यों बताते हो? आपकी बेटी नहीं है. उसकी शादी कौन करेगा? अगर वो कहेंगे कि माँ को कैंसर हुआ है. So these are stigmas. अच्छा,
Yes.
पहले तो this is a, देखो, we all know कि onion के बहुत peels होते हैं.
Yes.
This is one of the inner peels. The outer peel is anyone who had cancer. Arey, my uncle died. Arey, my mother died. Arey, my father, my cousin, my niece, The person who is undergoing treatment is going through their own fears. मैं तो मेरे patients को क्या कहती हूँ? 1, internet is out. You don't have to go to the net to look up your disease, because you will then turn into a hypochondriac. ये है, ओहो, ये मुझे भी हो रहा है. वो है, I have it. By the end of it, you are a shivering, a quivering jelly of fear. And you know what fear stands for? False emotions appearing real. Fantasized experiences appearing real. मतलब कि अगर मैं रस्ते पे जा रही थी. Okay. Alpa, I remembered you starting a song, तो मैंने कहा मैं भी लगा देती.
हाँ, लगाओ ना.
अब वहाँ एक रस्सी पड़ी है. अगर मैं भयभीत हूँ, if I am scared, my thinking is not correct. वो thinking brushed, बुद्धि brushed हो जाती है. I will see that rope and I will think that it is a
snake.
But if I'm not scared, I will see the rope for the rope. अरे, ये तो रस्सी है, मारो गोली. I will even kick it.
Yes.
So these are the little facts of life. The other day I saw Netflix के ऊपर the relationship between an octopus and a human being. I was so touched. And when the shark takes it away and kills it and eats it, मैं तो रोई. But is it real for me? No. I go and see a movie. There are touching scenes. I cry. But is it real? I know कि पर्दे के पीछे और पर्दे के ऊपर क्या हो रहा है.
Yes.
But you get moved. So all we have to think is कि जो हो रहा है, अरे, cancer. The fear of the word. मैं लोगों को क्या कहती हूँ? 3 important things. Alpa, pay attention.
Yes.
I'm sure you people do it on your own.
Yes.
But what are the 3 things? मैं बोतल के बारे बात करूं, आपको कुछ हो रहा है? नहीं. सेल फोन के बारे नहीं. कुर्सी, टेबल नहीं. कैंसर? पसीने छूटते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने कितनी चीजें सुनी हैं.
Yes.
Those are not my thoughts. Those are thoughts that have come down from the generations.
Yes.
तो मैं लोगों को कहती हूँ, do you understand that there has been such an advancement in science, in diagnostics, कि we do not need to, ठीक है, 100 साल पहले, understand, you have those feelings. 50 साल पहले, my dear ladies, I will tell you, are there any gents also in the...
Yes, around 3-4 men are also there in the group.
Then I have to say, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
My dear ladies and gentlemen, I need to tell you that these are things that we have grown up with cancer, the dread. But do you know something? There was a difference in my treatment. I'm not going far. I'm not going to the neighbor or someone else. 98 में मेरी surgery हुई थी. Surgery. In Chennai, they said they wanted to do a mastectomy. When I went to Bombay, my doctor, Vijay Haribhakti, said, I'm going to do a lumpectomy. I fell at his feet. I went down on my knees. I said, mastectomy karo. And he said, there's no need to do it. I said, nahi, it might come back again. He said, there is no research to show कि same breast में फिर से आ सकता है. So why should I give you a larger wound when I can do it with a lumpectomy? Now all this takes time to register. So lumpectomy hui both times in 98 and in 2004. Then we talk about chemotherapy. 98 mein, I vomited a lot. To such an extent that even 2 fat worms emerged. And I made a joke out of it. क्योंकि एक को हमने एक bathroom के potty में फेंका. The other one, I was in the other bathroom. मैंने कहा दोनों sewage में एक दूसरे को मिलके, they will make a nice, Mr. and Mrs. Worm will make a lovely home, a smelly, cozy home for themselves. So humor is good. So chemotherapy ki baat kar rahi hu. The second time, I didn't vomit even once. Now, when I was doing the second time for my surgery, I suddenly came to and I got the shock of my life. I thought I'm go and gone because I felt I had been transported to a futuristic scene. Koi mujhe dekh raha tha. You know, I thought there was an alien. And I would have done this. And then the loving voice of my doctor said, Neecha, this is Vijay. I said, what are you doing? Binocs to his glasses. He said, I'm doing a microsurgery. So you understand. Surgery, yes. Surgery, microsurgery.
Surgery.
Chemotherapy, vomiting continuously in 98. 2004, not even once. Radiation, हमने cobalt की थी. Now, there is such a difference. You have a choice. You can choose which targeted therapy you want to do. पहले तो जी breast होता था. You did the radiation on the breast and the rays went right through the breast into the organs behind, the heart and the lungs. Now, the bed, only the bed of the tumor in the breast gets the radiation. Yes. यहाँ से निकल के वापस पतला छोटा हो के खाली बेड को लगेगा. It does not affect my heart or my lungs. So when there is such a vast advancement in science, in medication, डरना क्यों? किस बात का? Why fear?
Yes.
And when you fear something, it overtakes you.
Yes.
And when you don't,
you can overtake
it. हम होंगे कामयाब.
Yes.
So
yes.
sorry. let me end it. 3 points. 1, cancer is only a word.
Yes.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes.
2, आपकी जो treatment है, think of it as a short detour. After all, जब मैं चेन्नई से कुन्नूर जाती हूँ, we drive there, we bypass places like Erode and Salem. Why? Because it takes longer. There's more traffic. So sometimes a detour or a bypass is also good for you. So consider your treatment as only a detour or a bypass, क्योंकि वो भी आपको जहां आप जाना चाहते हो ले जाएगा. And the third point is that laughter is the best medicine. It can take you out of anything.
Yes.
Absolutely anything.
So fantastic, Neerja ji. Very well said, very well explained actually. And beautiful way of saying it to the masses actually. And your
It's
words
simple.
settle me. Yes, simple things are always beautiful. Simple things are always beautiful. We just make a big out of it. That's all.
हम ही complicate करते हैं.
Complicate. हम complicate.
Life is simple. We complicate it ourselves.
Yes, exactly. So now we'll welcome people to ask their questions.
Yeah, I would like to ask something to Neerja.
Yes.
Welcome, Neerja ji. It was wonderful listening to you, full of positivity. And I was going to ask you a question which you have answered partly or mostly about, why there are so many other diseases which disable a person so much more, whether it's a multiple fracture where they are lying in bed for, but that doesn't scare them. But the moment they hear the word cancer, which is like you said, a dent, and you get back, you're normal, but that doesn't go into the head, and the fear factor is so much. Where do you think this fear factor was generated? I think we should somehow remove that and consider it as another disease which comes and goes. And
Malati, sorry, carry on.
No, and there are typhoid happens, jaundice happens, where also turns fatalistic for people depending upon the severity of the condition. It's the same thing with the stages and so on. And we meet patients who come at different time. Yes, of course, then there is, and you talked about the advancement, second point, which was such a valid point, which people do not bring it out. I have seen my friend 20 years back, like you said, who went through suffering about vomiting, and that was such a fear factor that she'll throw up, she cannot get back just because of that. The chemo part is something which is so troubling for people to go through. So I wanted to know, how do you think this fear factor still somewhere exists in spite of the tremendous advancements? So where and how, as counselors and as maybe the medical professionals, how that fear has to be reduced? Then positivity will come.
I tell them, the first time I was diagnosed, the medicines for the side effect was Amset. The second time I was diagnosed, it was Granny Set. मैंने कहा देखो अब नानी दादी आ गई ना.
I know.
So, apart from having medication, diagnostics improved and advanced, even the medicines for the side effects are advanced. So I wanted to bring that point up. Secondly, I also wanted to say that there will come a time, Amalti, mark my words, there will come a time when we can go to a chemist with a prescription or हमारी cancer treatment, across the table दवाइयाँ आएंगी, हम घर आके ले सकेंगे.
Wonderful.
That too shall come to pass. Now, you brought up a very good point, that typhoid, that septicemia, yaar, 3 बारी मैं बच गई हूँ.
Yeah.
But the point is that heart diseases, diabetes. These are more dangerous than cancer.
Precisely. Precisely.
Cancer at least एक बारी diagnose हो गया है. So you know STPA, study, diagnosis, plan of action. This is it. Treatment ये है, कर लो. But the other thing that is why they are called silent killers. Or hum. Now another thing, Malti, I really want to bring to your notice. When I was diagnosed, I was just told that you have 25% chances of survival. The next thing I was told, not in India, you have to go to America or France, because वहाँ stem cell research तभी ही शुरू हुई थी. I cried for 3 days. Why? I was not scared of death, but my twins were only 7 years old. तीसरे दिन के बाद, enlightenment, tube light. Did God come down and tell me कि तू उल्टी गिनती शुरू कर? Did God come down and say, you're going to die now? No. After all, even doctors are human beings. Though I say, doc is God and God is doc. Have faith in your doctor as much as you have in God.
Yes.
But this diagnosis was given to me. तो मैंने क्या कहा? I wiped my tears. You remember that baby Johnson shampoo का क्या नाम है? No more tears.
No more tears.
No more tears. I said no more tears. And that day, which was in February 98, I took a determined decision. Or I took a drid nischay that I am going to live for my twins. Now I'll let you into another very simple thing. And I tell people this. I said, Dekho, we were talking about laughter being the best medicine. I said, Dekho, you have war. When there is a fight, who wins? The one that is better prepared? Now, our body, हमारा जो शरीर है, our body is only a mechanism. जब मैं खुश होती हूँ, I'm happy. What does my body do? It creates endorphins, happy hormones. When I'm sad, I've had a fight, I'm tense, I'm complaining, I'm whining. What does it do? It only creates, and it creates toxins. So you have Nirja Malik, and how she thinks, dependent on that, is whether there are more toxins or whether there are more happy hormones. Now, when push comes to shove, comes to a crunch, who will win if there is a war within me? The one that there is more of. And who is it dependent on? I. So if there is more of happiness, joy, happy hormones, endorphins, they will win. If there are toxins, misery, tragedy, Meena Kumari, who will win? They will win.
Yes.
Right? So we must keep that in mind. And we are lucky if हम हंसते जाते हैं, we are lucky because that is what helps us directly, indirectly. If there are 10 women standing there, my weight, my size, my stage, 3 तो उसी दिन मर जाएंगे. A few will linger on. What is different? The only thing different is the state of mind. The thinking, the attitude. So if the attitude is happy and healthy, you live longer, happier. If the attitude is, oh my God, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, main kya karu, I'm fed up. Whose fault is it? Meri na. If I can just remember one little thing, if I'm happy, it does me good. If I'm sad, not only does it bad for me, but it does bad for
Everybody around. Yes. It's very well
So when I
said.
came to Bombay, after diagnosis, people would come to visit me. They were not able to look me in the eye. They would look like this and they would look like this. And I said, "Ye ho kya raha hai?" And I started acting as if everything is fine. And then unke dimag mein aaya baat ke, "Arey, she's the one in trouble. She is trying to put us at ease rather than us helping her be at ease."
Yes.
So I decided this is how I'm going to be.
Yes.
The
Very nice. Very nice.
The rest is history.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very
And you
well
are
said.
creating history
Very well said.
actually for the lot many. I think Purnima has a question.
Yeah.
Yes, Purnima,
Yes.
go ahead.
Did I answer Malti's question?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Hello, Nirja ji.
Hello.
It is a pleasure to hear your whistle, all your songs in between. And, sometimes I felt I heard a 20-year-old, 40-year-old, 60-year-old. I really don't give a damn about your age, but your attitude is fabulous. It's, I would like to ask, what is your message to people like us counselors who, in spite, there are certain cases where we feel it's difficult and we go on and, keep on giving positivity and, we
Holding
try to
hands.
spread this, yes, being there, just being there sometimes. But with your experience, such a vast experience, what would be your message to counselors like us?
Okay, I have to let you into a secret that I lost some patients and it really affected me. It really affected me because one of them who shared a birthday with me passed away just a few days before our birthday. She passed away on the 7th of June, our birthday. My 60th birthday was on the 11th. And we had to go to Kunur to celebrate. People were coming from all over the world. And so we drove from Chennai on the 9th. We got there, 10th we were there, 11th was our birthday. So मेरा 11 तारीख को है, मेरे चाचे का 14 तारीख को है, my sister's is 17th, her husband's is 18th. So it takes a whole week of celebration. I hadn't gotten over it. I came back and I was in bed for 2 months. A little after that, I lost another patient. Now, what happened is, this particular patient wanted to go, but her husband was in denial. He refused to believe that something was wrong with her. Just then, oxygen mask nahi tha. He would say, "See, Nirja ji, she's doing so well." But her innards, starting with her uterus, her ovaries, some of the abdominal areas, they had all been affected. So I was sitting by her side one day and I said, her name was Gayatri. I said, "Gayatri, I love the Gayatri mantra. I just feel like saying it, chanting it for you 108 times. और आपको जो भी सोचना है, जो भी आप चाहते हो from deep within, think of it." Just at that moment, her husband came in and, "See, Nirja ji, she's fine. She's having no breathing problem." And saying this, he saw that we were communicating with each other. वो चले गए. He said, "मैं कॉफी पी के आता हूँ." I said, "हाँ हाँ, आप जाइए." She started crying. She said, he's not letting me go. I just want to go. Doctors would say, isko chemotherapy mat do. He would say no, because his point was, I'll do anything. I will not leave a stone unturned. वो बिचारी कहते मुझे छोड़ो यार, मुझे जाने दो. Finally, the doctors came to me. They said, कुछ तो कर यार. He keeps, we keep making him sign letters. Ke it is under, my responsibility. I'm insisting, chemotherapy karo, radiotherapy, blah, blah. He had 2 sons in Bangalore. एक कॉलेज में थे, एक काम कर रहे थे. अब they could have very well come. There was no COVID. But he used to ring them up and say, your mother is doing fine. Now how to shake him? So we were sitting across each other and I said to him, do you want your children to, your sons to hate you? What do you mean? I said, if I was your son and you kept it from me that my mother is not well, and God forbid कि उनको कुछ हो जाए, I will never forgive you forever. कि you didn't allow me to spend the last precious moments with my mother. And मैं आपको बड़ी naturally, normally बोल रही हूँ, but I was talking to him full of feeling. That was the only way to shake him out of it. He broke down. I said, if you'd like me to, I can talk to them. I knew that he would do it himself. But चाबी तो थोड़ा हमको लगाना पड़ता है.
सही बात.
I said, मैं कर लूंगी अगर आप नहीं कर सकते. That was just for him to say, nay, I will do it. And he called his sons. He told them the actual condition. They came for 2 weekends. They met her. They stayed with her. They spoke to her. 3rd weekend, she was not there. So I then depended on, and I've done this frequently, on our Hindu philosophy. कि हमारा जो शरीर है, it's just a garment. It is the Atma. It is the soul within that moves on. So why should we dwell on separation? And I remember that the Muslims say, which is a beautiful thought, that if we cry, जब किसी की रूह निकल जाती है, it is our tears that hold them back. Now, you need personal experiences to be able to talk about these things. So when my twins were born, I was in a nursing home, Elizabeth Nursing Home, those of you who are familiar with it in Bombay, for 1 month. I was on a saltless boiled diet. My blood pressure was 270 by 140. Every hour, on the hour, the twins were felt with a machine, their heartbeats, the fetal heartbeats. And I went into labor and I was rushed from Elizabeth Nursing Home to Breach Candy. They cut me up, they took out the twins, they put them into separate incubators. एक incubator खराब हो गया. दोनों बच्चों को छोटे थे, 825 grams and 1 kg, fitted into one, rushed to Jaslok. There was a neonatal clinic there. यहाँ नहीं था. 5 दिन later, I followed. ऐसे करते करते on the 40th day, 26th day we went home. My mother had a little get together for very close relatives of ours. अब मेरी भी immunity low थी. You can understand what happens when we have chemo and we are vulnerable. Our immunity is low. We catch an infection like this. that is what happened. On the 40th day, there were a few people, I could have got the infection from anywhere. 105 temperature. And they didn't do cold compress just on my forehead, my neck, my hands, my feet. They did cold compress on my whole body. They made me lie down on the side so that there was more expanse available for them to do this. My mother's job was just to keep slapping my face so that I don't go into coma. And every time the cold towel hit me, I would scream. The hot body of 105 degrees temperature. I would scream and my twins would shriek. That upset me. And I thought to myself, I said, I belong to a land where there is so much belief that I am not the body, I am the soul, and the soul feels nothing. And you know what? I kept thinking, I'm not the body, I'm the soul, and the soul feels nothing. I stopped feeling. The towels were hitting me as before. I stopped crying. I stopped crying, my kids stopped crying. Now my mother, no sound from me, so she's hitting me even harder. Ke tu coma mein mat ja. And I open my mouth and I say, I don't have the strength to speak and explain. I say, I'm not the body, I'm the soul, and the soul feels nothing. My mother started crying there. I was feeling the hot tears on my face. She thought कि मैंने तो अपनी farewell speech दे दी है. मैं चली. But I tell you, the gems that I have managed to pick up, and not that I've read, कि गीता पढ़ी, Upanishads पढ़ी, ये पढ़ा. It's just stories that I have heard. And they are so true to life. So I use these gems to tell people. And there are people like Gayatri. She was just wanting to go. We had a deep discussion again about souls, about garments, about peace, about being at the lotus feet of the Lord. So it depends. It makes a big difference if you have experienced this. And then you can pass it on, because when you speak, phir wo hai, Purnima, it is dil se, straight from the heart. And there are two mantras that I have. My mantras are, God is great. And I know that all of you are aware of the second one. This too shall pass. So I hope that somehow or the other I've been able to answer some of your questions.
Yes. Anybody else from the audience wanting to ask?
Somebody has asked something in the chat box.
Yeah, so Rashmi says, I'm touched, Nirja ji. My salute to you. Wonderful way of looking at life. I would crave for such evenings each day.
Now, this is now in your hands.
Yes, जरूर. आपने शुरू कर दिया है. आपने गाड़ी शुरू कर दी है. अभी आगे चलाएंगे हम.
चलेंगे.
बीच में आपको बुलाएंगे.
Absolutely. But I want to make one thing very clear. I was very slimline.
Wow.
This is me.
Wow. Beautiful.
I was always in jeans, stretch pants. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because in school, I was the games captain. I was a runner. I represented Delhi in the first national cross-country race of India. Even after the children were born, I was an obsessively compulsive aerobicer. Oh. So what I'm trying to say here is that I was in the NCC. I was the best shot lying down, kneeling and standing. What I'm trying to say here is that there was so much of physical fitness in my early days that if I feel that apart from the mind, those things have also helped me.
Yes, exactly.
You understand?
Exactly. Physical fitness.
Yes. So I want to say PMES kya hota hai? Each person is made out of the physical, the mental, the emotional, and the spiritual. And we need to take care of all of these.
Yes, yes.
But I will go one step further to say, I'm 66 years old. When I became 60, someone said, oh, sweet 16. I said, no. They said, why? I said, drop the zero, I'm 6, yaar. And now, so wo aise karte karte, now I'm 66. Now I have no choice. Drop either one, I'm still 6. Right. So I need to tell you, okay, jo people look at me and they say, Are, do you have backaches, knee pain? Mujhe dekh ke, I'm like a jolly good, last count I was 116. I'm very happy that at the beginning of COVID, I was more than 125 kgs. Aiste aiste ja raha hai yaar. But the fact of the matter is that I don't pay attention to my physical. I feel alert mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And because I do not pay attention to any aches and pains, I am what I am. I will give you, I love giving examples because they're true to life. 30th of June this year, I had excruciating rib pain to the extent that my arm, I couldn't lift it. It was burning, it was agony. COVID ka time. Finally, what I did was 30th of June, bear kar karke, 13th of July, I invested in a sling, which made it better. 27th of July, I rang up my radiologist, जिन्होंने मुझे दूसरी बारी diagnose किया था. And I told him, I said, Dr. Jairaj, I need an X-ray because my ribs are playing up and there's excruciating pain. Now he knows that if I've used the word excruciating, my threshold of pain is very high. And if I'm saying excruciating, it has to be bad. So he tells me, pregnant pause, and then he says, there is too much of bulk. The X-ray will show nothing. Now pregnant pause on my side. I said, what do you mean? He says, no, forget about the X-ray, go and get a CT scan done. Okay, so 28th of July, CT scan kiya. Now the thing is that I was radiated, my left side was radiated in 98. 2 years later, I slipped in my bathroom and I fell, hitting the sink, my chest on the sink. I thought I had broken something here. But my ribs, because of the radiation, had gotten brittle, my bones. So my 5th rib broke. And it didn't break, like one straight line. It broke like this. So I was getting a lot of pain. In 2008, again, I had excruciating pain. I was hospitalized for 10 days. They gave me injections in my rib cage. And they discovered that ye jo pressure tha na, it was not straight. This pressure of the 5th rib breaking affected the 6th rib, and that broke. Abhi kya? I said, abhi kya ho raha hai? And people said, hum na ek bone lenge, we'll fix it together, we'll put a wire. But they realized when it is not healing on its own because of the radiation, they didn't want to touch it with a barge pole. And now what did it show on the 28th of July? That my fourth rib had broken. God is great, it had healed perfectly. Because the radiation probably didn't affect it. How it broke, God knows. My fifth rib has broken further, and there's one bone has become like a marble, independent and rebelliously on its own. तो वो जी मटक रहे हैं, हिल रहे हैं, और मुझे दर्द दे रहे हैं. And the sixth rib had broken even further, and the gap between the two was more. Now, मैं क्या करती? I could have sat and cried. I said, what do I do? He says, go to a doctor. So I went to an ortho guy. उसने मुझे इतना रुलाया. He lifted my arm. He poked my बहुत दर्द दिया. 10 दिन के लिए strong painkillers and anti-inflammatory. And I had them. And I said, I am made in the image of God. I have no business to be unhealthy or in pain. And thinking like this, slowly and steadily, I can raise my arm, I can do things, and I'm happy. But one thing, I will tell you a conversation I had with someone. I was sitting in a room, they were talking to 5 different friends. And all they spoke about, आप पंजाबी जानती हैं थोड़ी?
समझ आती है, समझ.
Gode and mode, which basically means gode are the knees and mode are the shoulders. So this lady was talking to 5 different people, and all I heard her say was the trouble that her godas and her modas, her shoulders and her knees were giving her. And you know what I told her? I said, you don't love your sons and daughters. She said, what? How can you say that? I said, because if you love someone, you'll mention them. Kabhi kabhar to aap unka zikr karoge. I said, if I was the pain in your godas and modas, I would never leave you. She said, what? I said, you are looking after me so well. You're loving me. I'm so comfortable. You talk about me all the time. I feel so loved. I don't even have to seek your attention. You're giving it yourself. So what is that simple thing? You become what you think. If you think you are in pain or you are a pain, then you become both. If you think, kya cheez hai yaar? Then you become happy and healthy. And then you say, thank you, God. There is shukrana, there is gratitude that takes you places. And you're good to go.
So wonderful, wonderful, Nirja ji. You kept us entertained for almost 1.5 hours now.
What? Are you serious?
Yes. But it was all well worth the time. And for the cause which you are supporting also. So very happy to have you here today. Thank you so much. Please spread the word about our activities. Anybody wanting to reaching out for pain palliative care or for COVID or isolation and they need any counseling, kindly spread word about us. Also, as I told you, even sign language counseling, we are helping them with.
Beautiful. I am so impressed, Alpa. Thank you so much for that.
You're most welcome. You're most welcome. So thank you very much. Thank you once again. Or I will have only one line to say for Nirja ji. कोमल है कमजोर नहीं तू शक्ति का नाम नारी है सबको जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुझसे हारी है.
Bah, क्या बात है, प्लीज इसको आप व्हाट्सएप पे लिख के भेज दो मुझे, बेटर स्टिल वॉइस नोट में गा के भेज दो,
गा के भेज दो, ठीक है।
Thank you so much, and to each of you, my love and affection to you, your families, and let me tell you, we are all one. हम जो souls हैं ना, we are all connected.
Yes,
it doesn't matter color, caste, creed. हम सब एक हैं, हम एक ही पॉड के छट्टे बट्टे हो, we're all souls belonging to God. So just let's remember and love one another.
Yes, 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 and reach out to one and all.
Yes, absolutely.
Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you all. Thank you one and all for participating. Thank you.
अल्पा जी, आपका ये गाना मुझे बहुत याद आता है और बहुत शक्ति देता है।
अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
हाँ, जब भी मैं लो मूड में रहती हूँ तो मेरे को आपका यही याद आता है। आपने मुझे सुनाया, बहुत अच्छा लगा था।
थैंक यू सो मच।
यार ये मीटिंग लीव नहीं हो रही।
थैंक यू।
हाँ, चलो बहुत अच्छा लगा। She spoke very well, wonderfully well.